this is a video on Go for Google Certified Educator Level 1. Welcome. So for the first topic, we are going to discuss about Google Docs. Well, for Google Docs, there are several tasks. For example, you have to create a doc, add text, copy text, include a footnote, and also include comments, and then share your Google Docs. Okay, for the first one, let's look at create. Okay, there are two ways to access or to create Google Docs. You can go to your Drive or you just click the Google Docs here. Okay, how to get this? You just click the waffle button on the top. There are 9 dots there, so this is called a waffle button. So you can open from your Drive or you just click the Google Doc. Okay, I'll open from my. Okay, now if I click Google Drive, so next you create by clicking New. When you click New, all this will appear like folder, file, upload, folder, upload, and so on. So you can see Google Docs here. So just click Google Docs. Okay, when you click Google Docs, what appears is untitled document. So you have to change the title here. So just highlight and then change the title. So for example, English Form 1. So we have finished task 1, which is to create your Google Docs. Let's go to task number 2, which is to add text. Okay, to add text, it is very easy. Just start typing. For example, this is the idiom. These are the idioms that you could use to express happiness. And then we go to number 3, which is to copy text. Okay, how to copy text? You have to go to Google search there, and then in the Omni box here, just type, for example, idioms. Okay, once you have typed idiom, then there will be some websites that appear. So for example, we go to this Wikipedia. So just highlight the first paragraph. Okay, then you right click, then copy. Or you can highlight and then use the keys Control C. Okay, after that, go back to your document. You can click paste, or you just click the keys Control and V. Okay, so this is the first paragraph from Wikipedia. Okay, we go to the fourth task, which is to create footnote. Okay, just now we have the paragraph that we copied from Wikipedia. So just put the cursor at the end of the paragraph here, or you can highlight any of the paragraph or any of the lines, and then you go to insert. If you go down here, there are a lot of items like image, table, drawing, chart, horizontal line. Then you can see the footnote, or you can always press Ctrl, Alternate, and F. So later on, you go down here. Okay, there'll be the footnote there, so you can see number 1. So then you go back to the Wikipedia page, and then you highlight the link, the URL link, for example, enwikipedia.org, blah blah blah. Okay, after that, highlight it and then press Ctrl C or copy. Then you have to go back to your Google Docs. After that, click paste. Right click and paste. Okay, don't forget that. Okay, after that, this will appear as a footnote. You can see number 1 here. So you have the URL, HTTPS, blah 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 blah, and so on. Okay, so now we go to the next one is comments. Okay, comments are actually a favorite item in Google Certified Educator Level 1. Okay, for example, this is the paragraph that we did from copied from Wikipedia. So you can highlight maybe the whole text, and then you can see there is a symbol here for plus, add a comment. Just click here, and after that this will appear, and then you can type. For example, you want to ask your student to read the first paragraph, so you say read this. Okay, so after that you can add a plus button, or you can put the add button or symbol, and then you can find the email of the person that you want to send to. Okay, for example, I already put in, so you can see read this at G. Okay, the email is there, and then you click assign, then you click assign again. Okay, click at the box here assign, and then click at the symbol assign at the bottom. Okay, you can see here it is already assigned to that email here. Okay, then you can look at the Oreo button, the three dots or the vertical ellipsis. There are three items: edit, delete, or link to this comment. So edit, you can still edit. For example, you read this, you want to make it longer, like read this paragraph, so you can still edit your comment, or you can delete your comment, or you can copy the link to this comment. Okay, you can also check the symbol on the top near the share here, so you can click here. When you click here, you can find the notification. For example, all these comments are there. For example, read this, and this is the email assigned to, okay, reply mark as done, and so on. Okay, so this appear as the comments that you have written. Okay, the last part is how to share. To share is click on the blue button here, share. It's on the right top. Okay, you can share. Okay, you can see here because I already assigned, so it's shared to with one person. So when you open up, you can also share. You can see here whether the person that I send the email to is a viewer, commenter, or the editor. As you scroll down from here, you can see also there are others. After editor, there is also give temporary access, where you can comment and view only, or you can make the owner, the person that you emailed to just now, as the owner, or you can remove this email. Okay, don't forget to mark as done. Or you can also change below here where is the link, whether you want to link it to anyone in the group or a specific group only. So it can be restricted, it can be for certain group only, or anyone with the link. And then don't forget to click done. Okay, that's all. So you have already learned to how to use Google Docs. Then you can carry out a few tasks in Google Docs. Okay, that's all. Thank you. And then good luck for your GCE level 1. Bye bye.